Fire Escape Academy, inspector training. We're here in Beverly, Massachusetts, and we're looking at a balcony with a ladder. And again, we're looking for reasons to write a violation. We're either looking for deterioration or we're looking for structural issues. So let's take a look at deterioration first, because if you write that one, you don't need an unsafe condition because that'll get picked up during the inspection. So right now, if the easiest one to write a violation on paint is there more rust than paint or more paint than rust? So if we look at this fire escape and we look up, it's all black. It's pretty good. It's got a little bit of spots of rust, so I can't write a violation on this thing that's based on deterioration, meaning that it needs a paint job, because with a spot paint, this thing will pass. So now I have to go and find something structural. Let's take a look at, the ladder's on. It looks like from down here, I can see the connections into the wall. Everything looks good as far as the railings, supports are all welded supports, so I really can't see. But the one thing I can see right off the bat, you may or may not be able to see, is that at the supports are lag bolted into the building. There's no through bolt coming out, meaning usually if it's properly bolted in, there's a nut on the outside at the top of the support. And here what we have is the head of a lag bolt. Now, it doesn't mean that I could be wrong and that there's a plate on the inside, but now it needs to be verified. So right now I can write an unsafe condition violation simply because to me it looks like this thing is lagged in, and that's the person that's going to prove whether or not this fire escape is lagged in is going to be the inspector. They're going to drill a small hole on the inside and verify that there's a plate and a nut on the inside. If there isn't, then this fire escape needs one of two things. It needs to be through bolted, which means, doing some damage on the inside of the wall, inside the building, putting a plate, putting a through bolt to the outside. Or if there's rooms there, the kitchens, bathrooms, and they really don't want to put that plate on the inside, it's more cost than anything else, then all they need to really do is put legs to the ground. As soon as you put a leg on the nose of every one of these supports to the ground or create a T-bar to the ground, then you don't need to through bolt it back into the building. So the answer here is very simple. Through bolt it and verify that the through bolt is there, or create a through bolt system on this. Otherwise, you can put legs on the ground at the nose of each one of these supports to the ground. And if it allows, great. If it doesn't allow, you can create a T-bar or a cantilevered system to hold that platform up in the air. Any further questions, give us a call here at Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333, or visit YouTube and type in Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training, and there will be hundreds of videos throughout the country on typical fire escape inspection techniques to write a violation.